Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to our very first virtual celebration assembly for Year 2. We are really excited to see you all at home, and I'm going to start off by talking about our Learning Hero of the Week. Now, hopefully, you have been working hard at home to be like the connector. We're actually going to introduce our next Learning Hero today as well. For next week, not on that flip chart, on that one, we are going to be looking at which Learning Hero do you think this is? This is the Determinator, and he is our champion of growth mindset. That means thinking that you might not be able to do something yet, but you can do it in the future, and of persevering and not giving up in his work, and thinking of lots of different ideas to help you solve a problem. And also managing distractions, which I know from my own children can be a big one at home, especially if you've got pets that might come in and distract you, or brothers and sisters, or noisy things going on around you. So me and Miss Mole today have already started thinking about which children have really impressed us with being like the Determinator. And we have got 3 children this week that we would like to give certificates to for working really well this week, like the Determinator. So first of all, well done to Anch in Rome class. And well done to Alice in Rome class.
And well done to Holly May in Vienna class.
Fabulous work, everybody. And if you didn't get a certificate this week, please don't think we haven't noticed your hard work. We have been amazed with how hard you're all working. We said we would limit it to 3 certificates each week. We could have done loads more. So look out for different people next week. Now, next, I am giving a handwriting certificate out to Marnie. Well done, Marnie. I know from conversations I've had with you over the phone and on email that you have been really thinking about how to hold a pencil when you're writing to make it really neat, and really working on making your letters a little bit smaller, which is something we're all going to be working on in English next week. So well done to you.
And I'm awarding mine to Mohammed, and I know from speaking to you on our email as well, that you've been working really hard on joining your handwriting. It's something he's found quite tricky, but he's persevered and he's got there, and it is looking absolutely stunning. So well done, Mohammed.
Fabulous, and everybody's going to have a chance to practice joining their handwriting in English next week. Now, thank you to all those children who have sent in their spelling tests for us to mark on a Monday. Don't forget to do that and practice your spellings like you would normally. You can write them down and we'll mark them, or you can get a grown-up to mark them for you at home and send in your score. And we've got lots and lots of children in Year 2 who got all their spellings right last week. So I will save these certificates ready for when you're back in school. You'll find them in your trays. Well done to Anch. Well done to Asmi. Well done to Maisie Jane. Well done to Reese. Well done to Jake. Well done to Bianca. Still going. Well done to Jessica. Well done to Alice. And well done to Bo.
And in Vienna, well done to Kai. Well done to Jacob. Well done to Charlotte. Well done to Lily. Well done to Thomas. Well done to Esme. Well done to Freddie. And finally, well done to Harvey. So well done, everyone.
I cannot believe how many children in Year 2 have got certificates this week. That is fantastic. And we know that were we all in school together, we'd have a lot more certificates to give out, because we would also be giving out the Reading Award certificates. Now, please don't think that we've forgotten about these. We still want to celebrate how much you're reading. In your reading logs, you can still be filling these out at home. Make sure you write down any time you go on Bug Club in here, that counts towards it. But also, if you're reading a different book at home, or a grown-up is reading a story to you and you're listening along with them, you can still fill that in here and keep counting your nights. And when everyone is back in school, we will go through your reading logs and give you all the certificates that you need for the nights that you've read at home. So we're really looking forward to that. So have a lovely week next week. One more week before half term. It's going to be a cold week, I think. There might even be a little bit of snow.
Fingers crossed.
The weather forecast keeps changing. Make sure you send us pictures of what you do in the snow if we are lucky enough to get any. We've also got some exciting things happening in school. It is storytelling week next week. So your guided reading next week is going to be all about storytelling rather than reading. And there will be some extra special activities on the website. They'll probably be saved where our handwriting and spelling and times table and number bonds activities are saved, so you can choose some of those to do. And also next Tuesday is Safer Internet Day, so look out for some work on mundane computing.
Monday, yeah.
Very exciting. Keep emailing us all your work. We love receiving it. If you have any problems, you can email us too. And have a lovely final week before half term. Bye.